What's going on, culture heads? Welcome back to another video. If you managed to cop the Yeezy 350 Zebra, congratulations. Whether you paid retail or resell, it is still a very valuable shoe. And in today's video, we're going to highlight the versatility of the Yeezy 350 Zebra with 8 different outfit ideas and tips to help you stylize those shoes. Without any further ado, let's get into the golden rule of rocking your 350, and that is the idea of matching into the colors of the shoe. Alright, so for example, the outfit that I have on screen now really exemplifies this rule. So I call it white, red on zebra, simplified as WRZ. Alright, so with the white red zebra, it's really more of a sandwich fit to me. Imagine the bread being the white shirt, the condiments, the meat being the red pants, and lastly you end off with the other slice of the sandwich, the white bread, the shoes. Alright, so ultimately what you're really going for is to match the top to the shoes. And what helps out with this outfit is there's a little bit of red in the artwork, all right? The red background and the red lettering really allow the outfit to seem consistent and seamless throughout. There's red on the shirt, red in the pants, and the red on the Supply 350. It's like a streamlined, simple fit. You can accessorize how you want. I could easily put on a black hat with this outfit. I could even throw in a black, red, or white watch. It's really versatile. I love the versatility of what the Zebras does with this outfit. Another great outfit for the Zebras is black on black, just like what you see me wearing in this video. So the inspiration for this outfit I have on was just a really simple, subtle fit. Black on black is a really good color combination for men. It allows our more masculine features to come out. And it's really simple. Everybody's got 2 black pants or 2 black shirts or whatever to combo into their closet. And I think anybody can do this. The zebra pattern on the shoe really pops off when you're doing this because it's like something your eyes immediately focus on. Everybody knows where the focal point of the fit is. Especially in this case with the red on the sleeves and the red on the background, the showing on the pectoral of the shirt. Decided to go with a black watch for this outfit because it just goes more with that streamlined, simple fit, and the gold kind of stands out a little bit. Now, I could have easily thrown on a hat with this outfit. Any color would have done, white, red, black. It just depends on how you're feeling and what other graphics are on the hat. But once again, black on black, very simple thing to do. And you can also go with red on red. Red on red with zebras works very well. In this case, I decided to go with a tracksuit to give a more sporty look with the 350s. You can really see that the white stripes go well with the white in the zebra shoes, and the red goes with the red pattern on the 350. The beauty of this outfit is the red encapsulates other people's attention. Red is the most attractive color after all. With this red on red, it really allows the top and the bottoms to shine while also giving a decent amount of attention to your zebras. This is a very solid, more loose fitting outfit. It's great to have in your wardrobe. If you have any red colors you're looking to match, this will go great. Honestly, any color tracksuit will really pop with the Yeezy 350s as long as the tops and the bottoms are the same color. Check out my last video on the Yeezy 350s. I did a review about them. I showed some outfits that really exemplify what I'm trying to talk about in this particular segment. There are a lot of good outfits in that video, and be sure to check it out just to enhance your thought pattern. But last, let me tell you where this rule kind of falls apart at, and that's when it comes to white on white. Now, this is just my taste personally, but I think when you do white on white with 350s, it really takes away from the 350s hitting, all right? Now, if you frequent my channel long enough, you know I think some shoes are statement shoes and some shoes are more additions to a fit type shoes, all right? So the Zebra 350 is definitely a statement shoe. It has the potential to really snap in some fits. When you do white on white, it kind of makes it hard to know where the focal point of the outfit is. It's like the white on white really takes away from the zebras standing out. They blend in a little bit too much, and that's not good. So one of the fits I'm displaying on screen is an all white outfit. My big gripes with the outfit were 1, the whites didn't match, and 2, it's like, where do you really focus at? It's like, there's really no focal point. Like, yeah, the white looks good, like all white always snaps, it makes you look elegant and classy, but here it's just like, I don't know where I'm looking, I don't know what direction you're going for, you lost me. And even when I try to switch the white out for black, it's still that white pant, white shoe combo that makes it hard for somebody to really focus on something. So I highly advise that you don't really wear white pants with this fit. Off-white might be something to experiment with, but I would stay safe and stick to the golden rule, black on black, red on red, or the sandwich method that we talked about earlier. Another great tip for outfit inspo is to wear it baggy. Now, a lot of people think 350s don't go with baggy fits, but I'm somebody that can test. As long as you aren't covering the 350 on the shoe, there's a lot of potential for more baggier fits, all right? So the first fit I'm showing you on screen is a fit that just has some light fitting jogger cargo pants and a nice oversized tee. I really like this outfit because once again, you see how the red combos with the red on the shoes, and it's just a little more loose fitting. The pants are cuffed, so the 350 is still able to show, it's still able to shine, but it exemplifies that previous rule we were talking about, and it shows that sometimes you don't have to go as sporty, you can go more casual, street casual, and still pop off. Not everything has to be athleisure with the Yeezys. They have so much potential, and as long as you're willing to experiment, you can really find some great outfits to shine in. Here's another outfit that kind of breaks the golden rule, but shows off how baggy fits just pop off well. For the top, I have a graphic tee that shows off one of the greatest shows of all time, the Boondocks. If you've been following the channel for a while, you know I'm a big Boondocks fan. The blues in the background really snap very well with the blue pants on the bottom, those Adidas pants, and of course they got the white stripe that just glides into the zebra and really just helps this outfit shine. All right, guys, so don't be afraid to size up with your fits. As long as you can make sure the bottoms are cuffed and the shoes don't get covered up by the bagginess of the shoe, you really got solid fits. So that's my next idea, is to go baggy, oversize it. It'll switch it up for that mundane athleisure, you know, nice fitting clothes. Sometimes you gotta get a little baggy. Makes it look more artistic. That rule I showed you earlier is just a good way to come up with ideas, but you don't have to always stick to it. It's not like it's tried and true. There are many ways to get the answer, just like math. So my next fit is really gonna show you, you don't have to be so matchy-matchy when it comes to coming up with fits for your shoes. All right, so the outfit I'm wearing right now, it's a long sleeve gray top, heather gray, with dark green pants and the Yeezy 350s. Notice that nothing really matches with the colors on the shoes. Yeah, the light salmon red on the shirt may go with the 350, but it's really a stretch. You can accessorize to make sure that you hit those colors in the shoe, but keep in mind the top, the bottom, they don't have any main colors. There's that little bit of white on the Adidas and the green pants, but still, that's more of an accessory extenuation piece rather than a selling point. When you try to experiment and go off the grid, so to speak, make sure that you're still subtly hitting in the colors of the shoe, all right, guys? That will really help things pop off. And when in doubt, throw on a freaking hat. Hats can save fits by just having some color on them, guys. It really will help accentuate, give a little bit more of a focus piece. Like, it's okay to have a nice hat and a nice pair of shoes. It lets people focus on your head and look at your feet. All right, guys, so don't feel the need to confine yourself in the rule. Use that to start generating fits, but once you got your muscles worked out, you know exactly where to go with your Zebras. Go off the grid, try something different. But those are just my tips for today's video on how I style my 350s. I have a lot of more creative ideas for my 350s, so if you guys want to see a part 2 to this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you like my fashion ideas, sneaker reviews, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I give you guys streetwear, culture updates every week, guys, every week on Monday. So if you want to see more, be sure to like the video and subscribe. I appreciate you guys for watching the video. I hope you have a blessed day, and be sure to come back next week for more Yeezy, streetwear, and sneaker content. All right, guys, so be blessed and have a fantastic day. Peace.